Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can use Google to make money online. In this way I'm going to show you how you can make $200 per day online for free using free traffic and two other ways that the website that are going to pay you money for it. So this method works worldwide and you don't have to have any money to invest, and you can use all the free tools to make money from it. So I will walk you through entire step by step, so watch the video until the end. Before that, you know the drill. If you like our videos, like, subscribe, share. I make videos on money making, money saving. I try to upload one video every day, so subscribe, like and share my video, guys. So for example, in this way we're going to use two websites to make money. The first website is always Clickbank or any affiliate network like a Digistore 24 or Warrior Plus, but here I'm going with Clickbank here. So you're going to find a product that you want to promote. So in this case there's three categories like business, health and fitness, and technology are the products, or under these niches are always tend to sell better. So I'm going with health and fitness. Under the health and fitness, particularly diet and weight loss, so this is the product I want to promote. It's called custom keto diet. If I promote this product, if I make 4 sales per day, I can make $200 per day. But also there's an additional website which I'm going to pay you a little bit lower money, but customer doesn't have to buy anything from it. Here the customer had to buy in order to get this money, but other offer they don't have to buy anything. They put the email address, they can make money. So I can walk you through how you can set it up and how you can promote these offers and how you can make money. So when you pick a niche, most of the affiliate product on Clickbank has this one called affiliate page. What is this? If you open this affiliate page, this is the affiliate page where they have all the information about that affiliate products. Inside there, most of them have a banner, social media, landing page, videos and articles here for to promote. Most of them don't have articles, but that's why the Google part come to play here. So in this video, because I have found the product that have an article, so I click that and download these articles into my computer here. That you can see I downloaded on here. There's 4 different articles are here. So I'm going to build basic landing page for free for this each articles. So I copy one article. I went to Google site. Basically it's free. I already talked about it in my previous videos. So I just copy and paste the title and the description. Don't worry about these offer and these offer. I'm going to show you how you can set it up and where these offers are came from. Now if your affiliate program or the product doesn't have any articles, you don't have to worry about that. You can go to Google and type the affiliate product that you are promoting. In this case, because I am promoting keto diet, so I just type benefit of custom keto diets. So bunch of website open up with free articles inside. There's two things that you can do. You can just copy and paste the entire articles, or you can use any spinboard to rearrange the articles. But if you don't want to rearrange the articles, basically like this affiliate network, as you can see they wrote the article, but you can see there's a link here, 1 link and 2 links. They get exact same thing from this website. They'll say they give credit for this website. So you can do the same thing. You just go to Google and type open, so benefit of custom keto diet, open this website, copy and paste the entire articles and give them credit to their website and author, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, you are not going to use this article to make money. This is a value part where you're going to give something for the customer to make them to click your affiliate link. So here, after you copy and paste the articles, here you can see I just put this text box here, grab your custom keto diet and click here. So I insert this affiliate link in the both side, so because customer won't click your title or they look for the button, so that's why I put the 2 things here. Highlight the part. I went to Clickbank here. This is my Clickbank. I click this promote button. I get my affiliate link and copy and paste it on here. Now the second offer, the bottom of the page, this is the one you're going to pay a little bit lower money, but the customer doesn't have to buy anything. Again, you are giving something free in order to get that money. So this one is about free weight loss tips, right? So a customer has to put the first name, last name, email address and the zip code, and if they continue they get the free weight loss tips At the same time, I bring the lead to the website, so I'm going to make money. So this is the part where your CPA offers come to play. So I went to Max Bounty here. I find my CPA offers here. This offer going to pay you $1 per lead. Okay, so they had to put the email address as a single opt-in. So single page, this is the page, they put the entire detail. I make $1 per sign up. So if you promote this entire web page and the customer comes, they read the article, if they're not interested on buying this affiliate product, so if you come down to the bottom and see, okay, there's a free weight loss tips. So what they do, they put the email address, name and the zip code. I make $1 for that. So imagine that if you are able to bring 200 people per day on that. It's impossible when you are running all traffic, when you're using free traffic. But again, this is when you set it up, this is forever. So this page bring traffic every single day forever. So there's a type of passive income. Okay, so there's two ways that you can make money from one single landing page. One is from affiliate marketing, second from CPA marketing. Now you need to promote this. There is a paid version I'm using. Also there is a free version that you can use. So I'm gonna walk you through that. First, what you have to do, click publish here, and once you publish that, this is where you're gonna get your link here. You can copy that link. Now if you click this one, preview, that you can see the website is going to look like that in a computer, it's going to look like that in a tablet, and it's going to look like that in a mobile phone, guys. So if you come to the bottom, you can still see your banners and everything here. Now what you have to do, go to this website called Shortener. So you can go to bit.ly or any other website, shorten your link. After you shorten the link, copy that, and you're going to go to first website to get free organic traffic. Is called Quora. When you search term for Quora, that you can see how can I lose weight quickly. This you can see over 3,500 people following this particular question. So when you answer that, there's an alert go to all the people, and so this question is forever. So your answer is going to list that forever. So basically what I did, losing weight is hard. So but these articles help me to lose weight very fast. So this is the article, go and check it out. I didn't write any articles, just I put this link. So you know, see, this is the link, shorten link. I copy that and put it on here and click submit that. So you can answer this question, bunch of questions on Quora, but remember that don't copy and paste the same answer to all the question. Quora will block other answers because it's like a repeating answer. So change your answer a little bit in a different style for each question and post it on Quora. This is the first thing. So the second website, which is Twitter, where you're going to search like a weight loss tips, and these are the people post tweet on Twitter, right? Now you can go and reply them. Also you can go under comment section and find the people replying to that tweet, and you can reply back them with this exact thing. There's a weight loss tips, right? You click this one and you're gonna copy and paste this. Losing weight is hard, but there's an article helped me a lot to lose weight, and you're gonna put the link and you're gonna reply them back, and you're gonna repeat that over and over again with the Twitter, which is free, and they won't block your link or your post or your comment because that is not an affiliate link. The third one is Facebook. Again, you're gonna go to Facebook and search weight loss tips and open page or group, and you're gonna see a bunch of this pages and group. You can open that and you're gonna see here you can join with this group, and you're gonna post as you can create a post. At the same time, you're gonna go to others first and see a comment section where there are people are writing a comment section. You can reply them back. See, this post has around 522 comments, but if you come down to each comments, see this is a person comment, but here you can see the reply with different people commenting them, promoting their affiliate product. You can see this is the affiliate product. You can see each comment now have a reply with an affiliate offers. You can see each of them have a reply with an affiliate offer. So you can repeat that. So you can see same offer, some people reply promoting for this commenter. You can see custom keto diet video. So from that they're going to drive traffic to the affiliate page. Now you can do the same thing. Also you can go with this one here, Pinterest. You can create a simple pin like this one, 11 best tips for rapid weight loss, or you can create with a 10 or 3 benefit of custom keto diet, something, because that product I am promoting. For your product you can create this simple pin using Canva, and you're going to put your link, which is the Google side link here, and you're going to put that. The people come from your pin to your website or your landing page. They read your article. If they click buy your affiliate product, you can earn money, or if they sign in for your Cpa Offers, you can earn a little bit low commission from that. Also, the paid version I'm using on Pinterest, driving ad for using a promoting the pin. For example, this is the affiliate pin for the Amazon affiliate network. You can see here I only spent around £2.50. I already get around 2,300 impressions and 19 clicks and 3 saves. So I'm promoting this pin. Even I didn't make any money from this promotion, but number of people started to save this pin from their page. This link, this pin will be promoted to lots of other people. If they click, it will take them to the page. So you can do the same thing with your affiliate product, guys. So I'm doing the affiliate product for Amazon. You can do same thing for your Clickbank or the Google side one. So I hope you understand this simple thing. So if you are promoting an article using Google site, it's better to insert a couple of other offers rather than one, because if you bring around 200 people to your Google site and none of them like your affiliate offers, so no point. So in order to utilize that free traffic, so you can promote more than one offer. So this is the one offer. The second offer is here. So if they, even though they didn't bought the Clickbank product, but if they enter the email address for the Cpa Offers, and you can make money. I hope you understand this method, guys. If you really like a video, subscribe, like and share. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.